Hi guys, how are you all? Today,
I have some really great news for those of you who can't afford a premium AI video generator. Hey, here's a cool freebie for you. Microsoft's letting everyone make unlimited videos for free using OpenAI's Sora. All you gotta do is download the Bing app on your phone and then you can make videos with Sora for free. Here are the details. Currently, this capability is available via the mobile app, so generating videos directly on their website is not possible once you've downloaded the app. Just so you know, it creates 5-second videos and they are formatted upright, 9:16, which is ideal for social media platforms. You can't create horizontal videos with this tool yet, but it's expected to be available soon. Every user is allocated 10 fast generations, with each generation completing within a few minutes. Once 10 fast generations are used, unlimited standard speed generations are available, though they may take hours. Keep in mind, Sora is somewhat outdated now, so the quality isn't top-notch. Although many models have surpassed it, Sora's quality is still quite decent. But the good thing is, it's entirely free and unlimited. So if you need a free video generator for social media clips, I highly recommend you take advantage of this.
Okay, so guys, today I'll guide you step by step on how to use this new free and unlimited AI video generator. First, you need to download the Bing app. Just head over to the Play Store. It's super easy. Once installed, open the Bing app. You'll see this kind of interface. To access the video generator page, simply click the menu button, as you see here. Bing offers so many cool tools now, like Image Creator, and right here we've got Video Creator. Click on it, and boom, the video generator page opens up. If it's your first time, just tap the Try Now button. Make sure the text-to-video option is selected. Let me paste my own prompt here, or of course, you can type yours. Now click the ratio size. Currently, it only supports 9:16. Choose the duration, which is fixed at 5 seconds for now. Next, you'll see two options, fast and standard. We get 10 fast generations for free, but unlimited standard ones. Standard takes longer though, so let's pick fast. Click Done, then Create. If it's your first time, you'll need to log in with your Microsoft account. Let me do that real quick. Okay, generation started. Since we chose fast, I assume it'll take about a minute. Well, I waited nearly 5 minutes and the video still didn't finish. So I started a new generation while the old one was still running. And guess what? You can generate multiple videos at once. The second video was done in just 10 seconds. Let me show you how I did that. To generate a new video while one's still in progress, just reload the page or switch to the Image tab, then back to Video. Now you can add another prompt. Let's use this one. And hit Generate. While that works, here's the video that already finished. And look at this. It's actually really good, and there's no watermark on the download. Let's check the other video. Okay, still running. Now it's done. Let's play it and see. The movement's a little too fast for my taste, but hey, for something free, not bad. Let's try another one, this time an animal video. Using my prompt, and hit Generate. Alright, this one took about a minute. Let's play it. And wow, it's totally worth it. The white tiger's movement looks amazing. Now, about that first video. Still running. Yeah, I think it got stuck because I started it on the login page. From my testing, fast mode videos usually take under 1 minute. And the best part? We're getting Sora video generation for free. 10 fast generations per day is a sweet deal for Bing users, but yeah, some features are missing. Right now, there's no image to video option, only text to video. Also, the only supported ratio is 9:16. But Bing says they'll add 16:9 support soon. So that's it, guys. This unlimited AI video tool is honestly worth trying. Let me know in the comments. Do you think this is worth using? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more insane AI tools. See you in the next one.